everyone, Hazel's Emporium here. Welcome to my channel, Hazel's Emporium. And to those who are new to me, my name is Hazel. Welcome and thank you for coming to my pram. So everyone, for today's video is from Tipify.ru company, another replica store online. They gave this product to me for free in exchange of this video, which I will be doing an unboxing and a try on in this. So thank you so much, Tipify, for your generosity. First time to this company. Thank you so much. So everyone, to give you a side in this company, these are their products. So they have shoes. I ordered my shoes, Chanel shoes, and they also have different luxury replica bags, clothes, and footwear. So please go check online. They do have a lot of sale going on in this company. So yes, it's about time for you guys to give a gift to yourself. Okay, so go please check online. They do have a lot of good deal. So everyone, without further ado, let's unbox this. Okay, can't really wait to see this and to try this on. Okay, so please careful when using sharp objects, okay? Thank you. So this is it. Oh, all right. Look at that. Ooh, it's beautiful, isn't it? It smells good. Oh my god. Oh, I am so in love with this. Oh, thank you so much, Tipify. Wow. Look at this. So soft material though. I have this paper here, and that's it. Okay, so take a look closely. Okay, unleash this one and look at that. Gorgeous, eh? Super. I love it. It's just I love it so much. I can't really wait to try this on outdoor. I love it so much. Oh my god. Looks beauty. Such. Looks like real though. See that? Does it look like replica to me? It smells good so much. Okay, so thank you so much, Tipify.ru again. I super love it so much.